Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to enter Pairng mode on the speaker Harman Kardon Aura Studio 4. To enter Pairng mode, first of all make sure that your speaker connected to the power, and then you should click a power button right here, press it just one time, the speaker is turned on, and it automatically enters to the Pairng mode. But if it doesn't, click on Bluetooth button one time, and we should see our device right here, so we can connect them. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!